How've you been? It's been forever. What have you been up to lately? How's life treating you? Good to see you again. Things have been pretty hectic lately. Work's been a lot. I've gotten into cooking recently. I finally got around to watching it. I might head out later. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you, seriously. That sounds like a blast. That really sucks. I'm kinda bummed. No kidding? You're not serious. I know, right? That figures. I totally get that. I feel like you're right. Honestly, I'd wait. I don't know about that. I see where you're coming from. That's not a bad idea. Wanna grab coffee? Let's catch up soon. We should give it a shot. You free this weekend? Let's make it happen. For sure. Exactly. Couldn't agree more. Not really, to be honest. I'm not totally sold on that. I'm just messing with you. Relax, I'm kidding. Don't freak out. You wish. I'm kidding, or am I? You've got this. I've got your back. Don't stress too much. It'll work out. Hang in there. Oh, by the way. That reminds me. Speaking of that. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, what's the plan? How've you been? It's been forever. What have you been up to lately? How's life treating you? Good to see you again. Things have been pretty hectic lately. Work's been a lot. I've gotten into cooking recently. I finally got around to watching it. I might head out later. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you, seriously. That sounds like a blast. That really sucks. I'm kinda bummed. No kidding? You're not serious. I know, right? That figures. I totally get that. I feel like you're right. Honestly, I'd wait. I don't know about that. I see where you're coming from. That's not a bad idea. Wanna grab coffee? Let's catch up soon. We should give it a shot. You free this weekend? Let's make it happen. for sure. Exactly. Couldn't agree more. Not really, to be honest. I'm not totally sold on that. I'm just messing with you. Relax, I'm kidding. Don't freak out. You wish. I'm kidding, or am I? You've got this. I've got your back. Don't stress too much. It'll work out. Hang in there. Oh, by the way. That reminds me. Speaking of that. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, what's the plan?